Hi, I'm doing my weekly salad prep for the salad buckets, and I wanted to show you my mandolin. This is also called a V-blade. I'll post a link below what the company name is and where you can order it from, say from Amazon. It's a really great tool to make salad prep a lot faster. I'll show you how it's made. This is a very, very sharp blade in here, and it has three different kinds of attachments that fit in. This has these little knives here, and you can do a nice fine julienne cut with this. I could also put just the plain blade in, and that wouldn't separate like something like this would. It also has a bigger one that you could make fries with. So I usually make my salad prep on Sundays, and I'm going to be doing some carrots and red cabbage with this. I'm going to do the carrots first because they're not going to leave any color like the red cabbage would. Just going to get one more piece that goes with this. This is the guard that it has. Once the pieces get smaller, I would attach it in here, and then I could use it in this position. But for now, because my carrots are all quite long, I've got the julienne blade in here. I can vary how thick I want them with this locks in place to the thickness that I want. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, so I'm just going to do my carrots first. Put my container underneath. This makes everything so much quicker. And like I said, when this gets smaller, then I would put it into the end here. It fits right in, and then I would do this. And this is what we end up with. My carrots are nice and thin. Add a good texture. They're not too big for my fork when I'm having the salad. Okay, that's one. And then I'm going to show you how the red cabbage turns out. So I'm going to change my blade. Just press on the side here, it pops out. I'm going to put in the straight blade. Again, it has little arrows here that it lines up with. And I like my cabbage to be nice and thin. There we go. So it's just a very narrow opening there. I'm going to do this all in my container. It saves my mess. I've already got my cabbages clean on the ends. I trimmed it up. I always have extra of this veggie prep in the refrigerator because I can use this in salads or in stir fries, in summer rolls, make different kinds of salads with it itself. You see, the cabbage is nice and thin. I'm going to fill this up. I'll have my carrots all done, and then I've finished with my my V-blade or my mandolin for the week. Just wanted to show you this tool because I think it's really, really valuable, and it saves me a lot of time, and you might find the same thing in your kitchen. Thanks for watching. My name's Jill. Have a great day.